Me tell you this, careless people. We are look for good man, big man dinner on Sunday, especially Sunday, either Gyal. And also presentable look. It cannot present this way to a big man. Not even a child, not even a dog. I swear to you. Look at this now. Look at this little cover. Or pala pala over this little. What is this? Is this a bird? No. Is this rice and peas? No. Oh, I don't like peas, so I pick out the peas. That must be so. Anyway, come to the matter of the thing now. Not even a little onion ring. What is this? Look at this good. No, tell me. Presentable? No, brethren. Big man food on Sunday. It's sad. This is a sad life. Look, what is a jerk? Merc? Fry? Sly? I don't know. Wait, the steam? Boiled? No, stew? No, I don't know. Anyway, if somebody knows, somebody can tell me about this. Big egg, Gyal, you don't know nothing about cooking. You have a nephew where a big chef, make him teach you how to cook, cause you don't know nothing. I mean, like nothing. Alright, look at it good. Count how much peas you see now. You know, can count. Oh, mama. Alright, you hear me? Cut story short. This no look good. This don't look good. Girl, get a life and sort out yourself, cause this no look good. No time. I swear. Bombard. And we can get the dog this and we eat it. Alright, well, brethren, gonna have a happy life. Gonna live good as son to deal with food. Me I tell you, seasoning, oh my god. This is a Sunday, you know. Sunday dinner. So you're supposed to go market even Thursday morning, Friday morning, or Saturday morning. And if you want to catch a little riff-raff on a Sunday morning, yeah, right. Go and get it. But nothing you don't get. Look at it. It don't look good. It's a sad life.